What is the easiest and fastest way to get your music uploaded to Spotify and all the other streaming platforms and digital stores in 2024? Well, in this video, I'll show you what that way is and how to quickly and easily upload your music. Hey, I'm Reagan Ram with Orpheus Audio Academy, helping you make better music and grow a fan base online. And by far, hands down, the best way to do this is using a tool called DistroKid. And you can actually get 7% off your first year when you go to orpheusaudioacademy.com/distrokid. All right, you should go to a page that looks like this. You clicked a VIP link. Someone sure loves you. That's me, and yes, I do. Enjoy 7% off your first year when you sign up now. I am an affiliate, so I do earn a small commission at no extra cost to you if you use my link, but that really goes a long way towards helping to support this channel. And I've used DistroKid myself for years, and I still use it to this day, as I'll be showing you in this video. So I only recommend tools and products that I use and love myself. So once you have signed up for DistroKid, this is kind of what your home page looks like. And so now we can go about uploading a track, and it's as simple as coming over here to upload music. Real quick, if you want mastering, DistroKid does have a AI mastering tool, which you can do here. By the way, if you want my full, complete, in-depth tutorial on how to use DistroKid and how you can use it to help you actually grow a fan base as well, I have a complete video on that, and I have that in the description below if you want to check that out. But today we're just looking at how to upload music. So we're just gonna go right over here to upload music. So then you'll be taken to this page here where you can decide where you want your music to show up. I'm gonna go ahead and add the TikTok commercial music library. This says, do you own 100% of the publishing rights for this release? You have to own 100% of the song for this. Yes, I do. And number of songs. So just one song, I'm doing a single here. Has this single been previously released? No. Put in your band name here. And then you'll have the option, if this is your first time, to connect to different accounts you already have. For example, I have an artist account in Spotify already, so I've got that connected. I have an Apple Music account, I have that connected. A YouTube Music account, I have that connected. Instagram, Facebook, etc. And by the way, if you need help setting this up for the first time, DistroKid has a tool to let you do that as well really easily in here too. So if you want to just connect quickly to Spotify or to YouTube, that's really easy. I have a complete video on this as well. I'll have that linked in the description. So once these are all connected, now we're going to choose our release date. Now I am bad, and I did not finish this song until recently. This is a Christmas song. I should have done this a long time ago, but this is a Christmas song. So I want to see how early, this will be a good test. How fast can this song actually be released? What if I said tomorrow? Setting your release date to at least 1 week in the future increases your chance of getting added to playlists, because you can submit it to Spotify editorial playlist. If it's important that your album goes live in all stores on the same day, click here for more info. Yeah, I could wait longer, but I'm just going to try and get this out as soon as possible and see what happens. So release time, yeah, midnight is fine. Time synchronization, that's fine. Pre-order, no, it's not going to be time. Put in your label. That's only available if you choose the middle tier of DistroKid, I believe. Primary genre, I am electronic. Select electronic subgenre, so you can just put in your genres here. Try to be as accurate as possible. It doesn't have everything, so it's kind of challenging at time. Guess I'll do electronica. Secondary genre, guess I'll do spoken word, because it has some spoken word in it. And now we're going to upload an album cover. So you can see recommended images are 3000 by 3000 square JPEG format. This is just a recommendation to accept most image sizes. I did do 3000 by 3000. This is a PNG, but I think that'll be fine. You have to own your own artwork. By the way, if you want to know how to create your own amazing album artwork, even if you're not a graphic designer like myself, I'm not a graphic designer, but I was able to create this image. So if you want to be able to create similar album art, I have a complete tutorial on this as well that you can check out in the description below. Lots of goodies in the description. All right, so now we're gonna put in the title. I'm not proud of this title, but I want it to be obvious that it's a Christmas song and be added to Christmas playlist. So we're going with Neon Christmas as an experiment here. So it gives you some more tips on how to go about naming the song. There's no featured artists. There's no feat. This is a normal version. You can kind of see now what this will look like on Spotify and other platforms. So you get the song title and then the artist title. Now you actually upload the file. You can see WAV, MP3, MP4A, FLAC, AIFF, WMA. I highly recommend you upload a lossless file like WAV, because if you're uploading an MP3 that's already been compressed, meaning it's already been shrunken down, there's been data that has been lost. It's not as high a quality of a sound of a file, so it won't sound as good as a lot of other songs out there. So if you can, definitely upload a lossless file, like a WAV file. So let's do that now. All right, so now we got our song uploaded here, and you put in who the writers are. So it's pretty self-explanatory. You just go through and fill out all this information as it applies to your song. For example, my song is an instrumental and contains no lyrics. And now you can choose the preview clip start time. This is really good. I definitely recommend you pick like the most catchy, the hookiest part of your song, so that when people preview it, they're hearing the best part of the song and they're most intrigued, most likely to buy it. Optional stuff here, continue. All right, now it's uploading the album artwork, and then we'll see it upload the track. And this is gonna be an interesting experiment. We'll see how fast does it actually show up in Spotify, for example, when I have only given it 1 day. I told it to show up tomorrow, Saturday. So we'll see what happens. We'll see when it actually shows up. And it's just kind of promoting this Mixia mastering thing. I've already mastered my track, so I definitely don't want to do that. So say no, use my original version. And we'll give you a preview there, but it's just going to sound weird because mine's already mastered, so you don't master a master track. Done. That was easy, wasn't it? When will this be released? Give streaming services up to a week to publish your album live. So let's see, it might take up to a week. iTunes, Apple Music often happens faster, sometimes the same day, but not always. For Spotify, new deliveries will take at least 5 business days to go live. Okay, so we have to wait at least 5 business days for us to go live. You can also do music video distribution if you want to get those on streaming platforms. And then finally, what's next? This is really important, but adding some liner notes and credits. So music and lyrics. So might want to say producer. Go and put your email in there. It's interesting. Might as well. Acknowledgements, word clips taken from the movie It's a Wonderful Life. So I think that's pretty good. So we can hit done and submit to streaming services. Now we can also we can say done, adding credits for now. You can also add lyrics later if you wanted to. I don't have any lyrics in this song, so I'm not going to do that, but that's just something to keep in mind. You can also sync the lyrics to the track itself, so when people are on their phones or something, they can see the lyrics pass by. So that's a cool thing that DistroKid does for you. So if you want to give DistroKid a try for yourself, be sure to use my link, orpheusaudioacademy.com/distrokid, so you can get 7% off. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button. And remember, if you want a complete tutorial on how to use DistroKid, just click the video playing on the screen right now, and that will teach you everything you need to know. With that, have an awesome day, keep creating, and I'll see you in a future video.